चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट अपडेट के लिए।
Welcome to Pharmatech.
Behold, the story of victory, of life over malady. Behold the saga of power, of science over sickness. Behold the tale of triumph, of dedication over disease. Behold the rise and rise of Cadila Pharmaceuticals Ltd, one of India's largest privately held pharmaceutical companies based out of Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India. Cadila Pharmaceuticals was born out of the vision of a legend who left an indelible mark in the chronicles of Indian pharmaceuticals industry. He was Indravadan Ambalal Modi, the founder chairman of the company, rightfully christened as the medicine man of India. For Shri Modi, healthcare was not a privilege of the few. It's the fundamental right of all.
In 1951, I know that when pharmaceutical industry was not existing in this country and people felt that being a technology-oriented industry, perhaps it cannot be started in this one. And at that time, I decided that in the interest of the country and everything, better we may give a foundation so that other people also follow for this industry.
His vision to alleviate pain of the underprivileged through research-driven innovations has been driving Cadila Pharmaceuticals for more than 6 decades now. Innovations which are backed by the key strengths of the company, the state-of-the-art manufacturing and research facilities. The flagship manufacturing facility at Dholka, Gujarat, sprawls over 100 acres. This avant-garde facility is US FDA approved, besides meeting most of the stringent quality standards across the globe. It manufactures tablets, capsules, injectables, liquids and orals. The second Formulations manufacturing facility is located at Samba in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The API facilities at Ankleshwar, Gujarat, manufacture a large number of key APIs and intermediates at this US FDA and ISO 9002 and ISO 14001 accredited plant. The company also has set up its first ever overseas formulation manufacturing facility at Addis Ababa in Ethiopia. This world-class facility is the only WHO CGMP compliant manufacturing facility in the region. Cadila Pharmaceuticals offers an ensemble of formulations. The company's extensive range of finished dosage formulations covers more than 850 products spread across 12 specialties with many of India's top brands in its basket. Great goals are defined by far-sighted vision and achieved by seamless teamwork. A multicultural, multilingual and multinational workforce of over 7,000 employees is truly the propelling power of the company. The company is a significant player in domestic market with a field force of over 4,000 and covering over 250,000 doctors, including all specialists and generalists. Not just in the domestic market, the company has a wide global footprint with over 1,000 marketing authorizations across 85 countries. Its international sales force of over 150 highly diversified and versatile personnel lends it an outreach that blankets the globe. Evolution through innovation is Cadila Pharmaceuticals' credo. As the company grows, so does its commitment to research. Manned by more than 350 scientists, the R&D facilities of Cadila Pharmaceuticals at Dholka, Gujarat is an institution of breakthrough innovations such as Polycap, the world's first polypill for cardiovascular diseases; Rizorin, the world's first boosted rifampicin for tuberculosis. Mycidac C, the world's first active immunotherapy for lung cancer. And novel formulations like Rabiloc IV, the world's first rabeprazole in IV form. To take the focus on innovation to the next level, Cadila Pharmaceuticals believes in forging scientific collaborations with world-class institutions sharing the same passion for healthcare research. It partners with leading international companies to discover newer treatments in the areas of novel vaccines, better antibiotics, respiratory diseases, gastrointestinal diseases, cardiovascular ailments, diabetes, cancer, sepsis, and regenerative medicine. The Cadila Pharmaceuticals Group is gigantic. Its group companies complement and expand the dynamic vision of the company across new avenues of healthcare and newer fast-paced business areas. Cadila Pharmaceuticals is a gentle giant. It undertakes a number of targeted activities that are bringing about long-lasting and deep-rooted changes, especially in the fields of health, education, women empowerment and child care. As a responsible corporate citizen, Cadila undertakes a number of CSR activities in these areas. When the beacon of exemplary leadership passed on from the illustrious Doyen Shri I.A. Modi to Dr. Rajiv Modi, Cadila Pharmaceuticals scripted a new success story in its journey of fast-paced growth phase.
For me, it's a mission, and I have a very simple mission, which is to take this company forward at all costs, to make it into a globally sized business, which will continue to provide the world's best quality, affordable medicines for people around the world, and would strive to bring innovations.
Strategic global expansions and research into areas of unmet medical needs are the future. Decades of dedicated research, groundbreaking healthcare innovations, and worldwide impact proves the infinite potential of one powerful emotion: care. Care that transforms into a driving force for a revolutionary change. Care that translates into affordable miracles for those who need it the most. The success of Cadila Pharmaceuticals bears testimony to the fact that the care continues.